Yo, it's your boy here, Ajay, and we're back again with another video, and I'm here with
TJ, you don't know.
Keisha, YouTube channel, Brat's Dog Key. It'll be down here below. Follow me on my social media as well.
I'm gonna cut that out, guys.
Stop promoting on our channel.
I'm not promoting. What you mean?
Okay.
And it's Leah.
And you guys are already tight. You guys know what we're gonna talk about. Let's start. What we're gonna talk about? What's the title about?
Today we're gonna be talking about the things guys and girls do that they don't like.
All right. So what's the first one we got? What's the first one?
Keisha, what's the first thing you don't like?
I'm sorry, but I thought I wasn't going first. But okay, the first thing I don't like that guys do is they be thinking these expensive colognes be smelling mad good and that shit be stink. Like next. Anyways,
What?
they be stink. Like the cologne, I don't have to explain to you. They know what I'm talking about.
The cologne they buy.
Yeah, the cologne they buy, either it be too strong and it stinks.
Oh yeah, to make you get a headache and sometimes smell like
that shit be
oil.
stink.
Yeah,
like it be
it's like a
expensive,
musty
but it's
oil.
not all expensive perfumes smell good.
Okay, you got a point. You really got a point. What I don't like is when girls take forever doing their makeup, always in the mirror going back and forth. It's like, I'm dying. I want to go already. It's like, you know what I mean. You got the same problem too?
I was about to say on my turn, I hate when girls wear a ton of makeup. It does look so unattractive. Like
you gotta beat your face.
there's some
You gotta
girls will be some of you guys be overdoing it.
Yeah,
Like,
it's too
It's
much.
called a beat. There's a natural beat, it's a light beat, and you got a full beat. Okay?
Like this one, going to work every day, wake up 3 hours. Then when she almost feel that felt is when she almost finish her makeup. Nothing else. Right or wrong?
You're wrong.
Okay.
You're
Let's
wrong.
see.
You're
Listen.
wrong.
Okay. Next one, Travis. You got. Oh.
My turn. The thing I don't like guys do, they always ask you why you always have to wear a weave. When they be coming out the house and the hair be nappy, dry, and rooted up.
Ooh.
Hairline be back.
Back, hairline, they got mustache that need to be trimmed up, their beard nasty, look like they have worms in their beard, hair look a mess, they got holes in their socks, and they have the audacity to come to you and say, oh, why you wearing weave? Why you never wear your natural hair? Because we don't want to. We want to wear what we have to. We like it. It's comfortable. It's what makes us us.
No.
Next caller.
You again?
I went. Like
you again, it's not just once.
Okay, I went first the last time. Go ahead, TJ.
Take it
They'll
over.
go back again. Like, all right, what should I say? I hate when girls act like they're too confident. You know what I mean? Nothing's wrong with being confident in yourself, but overconfident is like you're going like you're better than people and have like you don't need to talk to nobody. You know what I mean? I'm a down to earth person. You talk to someone, you just talk to somebody. That's pretty much it.
No.
Next.
All right.
Two guys. Why is a girl guy thing should be going on here?
Exactly. Everybody.
So Keisha, your turn.
Okay, so the next thing I would like to say is I hate when guys you tell them you got a boyfriend and they still trying to talk to you. Like why?
Girls do that too.
I don't want you to be my sugar daddy. I don't care.
Girls
We're
do
talking
that
about what
too.
I don't like.
too.
They be
Girls
hounding
do
you
that
down.
too.
They be honking
Some
you
girl be
down.
like, when a guy say, "Yo,
I have a
we
girlfriend.
I don't care.
I don't care. I can be your side chick.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, but we're
We
not
do that
talking
too.
about that right now. We're talking about what I said.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't like when they when you're walking by yourself and they decide to drive up next to you, trying to talk to you outside their car like it's
Stalker
not
fucking
11 p.m. at
vibes.
night.
Stalker
Like
vibes.
I don't understand.
Stalker vibes. Or another thing, when you walk in, whatever, and you continue to ignore them, or they come and you turn around, or whatever, and they be like, you know what? Never mind. I don't want to talk to you anyway. You not that cute. You too stuck up.
Oh
for me
my
to talk.
God, they be
No!
going in.
They get so mad
They
because
be
you don't want
going
to talk
in.
to them.
Oh my
and
God.
so mad. Be like, well, you're not that cute anyway.
You a bitch anyway. I don't like you anyway.
You too stank. You not that. You not all that. You was fucking bum. You mad.
Like, niggas be going in.
Like, get out of here.
All
Guys,
right.
you're doing good. Keep
Yo, you know
Don't
what
get
I
rejected
like?
out here.
You know what I don't like? when some guys approach girls, right? And then every guy is not the same. As they see a guy, they would even give them a time
That's
of
where the
day.
overconfident thing
Yeah,
comes in.
a time of day. Get up from your bum ass. Fuck out of here. I got 3 kids. I got 3 kids. You want this problem? You want this problem? Nah.
But first of all, if they see you and they don't like you, they don't like you.
Exactly, or maybe that some people they just don't want to be approached.
But look at this. Oh, a guy is supposed to go get a girl if they don't
approach a girl.
We didn't say it was all girls.
No, but no. Tell me, if all guy would get a girl if he don't approach a girl.
Exactly.
He have to go and shoot his shot. You have to go try to shoot his shot. Right?
But it's a way how you approach. It's a way. It's how you do it. If you have charisma, you come across like, nice. Majority of the time, you're going to get a response back. But if you like, hey, shot it.
Yo,
babes. Yeah.
What's it?
No, that's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. You got to come right. I don't come at all.
Excuse me. What's your name? I'm trying to talk to you. And continue the conversation from there. I don't want no honking, no horn. Like, what I look like? A prostitute?
Some girl don't like that shit. So you're going to say,
regardless
this
of
nigga
what?
is a soft guy already. It's a soft guy.
That's not true. Regardless of what, if she wants to talk to you, she'll talk to you.
Exactly. If you come the right way.
Click back in the past, 5 years ago. No, 7 years ago. When you guys in high school and see a guy look nice and like too kind, what you guys irks? Denied. They want a rough guy, right?
That's
right or
wrong. Bad boys.
Bad boys, right?
Bad boys.
Right. Oh, not true.
Every single girl fantasizes with being a bad boy.
You gotta think about it. It's how you approach.
Not everybody want a hood boy.
Exactly.
Not everybody want Not every girl want a hood boy.
They want experience a hood boy.
Not all the time. Some don't.
Right.
Some don't.
As I was saying, the next thing I don't like with females is they expect you to have things and they don't want to bring anything to the table. That's right. Oh, my man has to have a car. My man has to have his own house.
Bitch, you don't even have your own car.
Bitch, you don't have your own car. You don't have your own house. You don't even have money in your pocket. Then why your man have to have all those stuff and you not bringing anything to the table? You know what I mean? That's annoying. That annoys me. So
that's a good one right there.
Who's next?
Keisha! Okay, you can call me Keisha or you can call me Key, by the way. But anyways, the next thing I have a problem with is I know everybody be burping and smacking, but that shit get on my nerves. Like, if you just burp out of nowhere and don't say nothing and just pass by it like it didn't happen, I'm gonna say something. Like, that shit's dirty. Anyways, go ahead. Yeah, it is.
That's more nasty if a girl burp. A guy burp is
what?
like a guy burp. But
that is so sexist.
That's obnoxious from both parties. You're
I'm
supposed
just
to
saying,
say excuse me.
Yeah, exactly.
If it slip out, it happened. But in general, both sexes, say fucking excuse me. You're some else.
Who is that?
Close your mouth when you eating. I don't want to see that shit.
Oh my god! Especially when you on a date or something, you still have to eat right. Don't be eating like you fresh out of jail. your arm all over the table or.
That shit.
Like, close your mouth. You don't
what
hear
type
that
of guys
spit?
has these girls been with?
Been with.
Nasty.
Been with.
What's the problem?
Some man get no table manners.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, I
don't have to be with them. It's just a general statement.
And what you see, what you observe.
Exactly.
And even afterward, boys, they get too comfortable. And then you start to see their true colors, how they eat. Okay, yeah, the first time they eat nice, but then after the couple days,
girls get comfortable. What the hell?
No.
You will never see a girl shit or poop or anything when they get comfortable. That's what I did. You could have found burn it with the table. So, you think that's
and you know what? Our next thing too, we got girl always be going on social media posting rubbish about. Imagine if they with a guy, the guy as they left, you saying the guy be sleeping on a half a bed, they all dirty. But guess what? That bitch was sleeping with that guy at that point. But why you care after you break up?
Because she loved him.
Yes, that's gossip.
Yeah.
That's gossiping. I hate girls that gossip. There's like no reason to gossip.
It depends on how you did her.
If you did her dirty, she gonna
I'm not
know all
talking
your
about guy
business.
and girl.
I know
Girls
this
do.
girl.
dirty things to girls too. Like if
Yeah,
they're in an
that's true.
argument, oh remember you fucked that nigga over there, you fucking him over there, and you fucking him, and then they want to be back friends later on. Like when a guy and like let's say me and my brothers argue, we just tell each other to fuck off, and that's pretty much, we don't bring up things like try to hurt each other, try to stab each other at each other. We just stop
Those are
talking.
emotional.
Girls, they be going in.
I'm gonna hold you. They be messy and petty.
Exactly. Very petty. They be
But
talking
you
about
knew what you signed
secrets.
up for when you got to
Period.
know her. The hell?
You know your friend. If you don't know your friend, that's not really your friend.
Yeah, but you don't need to make everybody know our business.
And
That's what I'm
why
trying
you
to
don't
say.
tell your friends
That's true.
everything. Certain things you just don't tell people. You take it to the grave.
I mean, yes and no. Because if you trust her and
Exactly.
she backstab you, that's on her. You didn't know. You wouldn't have known because y'all were so close, you know?
And the next thing, why girls hate girls? Like,
Because
Are
bitches
you
is
girl?
messy.
no,
Oh,
I'm
shit.
saying in general. If you a girl walk in a party, you don't know that bitch. What you say? I don't like that bitch.
Yeah, like they just
Look,
it's
look
like
at
they
this-
have a
look
aura
at
or they
this. Look at
sense
this.
it.
I don't like that.
Because they jealous.
Because she pretty.
They
Yeah,
jealous.
yeah,
Because she
pretty.
pretty.
She
She
wear
Half
wear
the
the
your
time
dress
it don't be
good.
because she pretty.
Then how you don't know this girl and you just don't
Yeah.
like her.
I didn't say don't like her. I don't know about that don't like her, but
Yeah.
I've
half the
seen that shit a
time,
lot.
half the time, say if we went to the club together and we seen her in some weird shit, we're gonna say, you know,
What the
not
fuck
us.
you wearing?
Yeah, what the fuck you wearing? What's up with your hair?
Mind
Why
your
your frontal
business.
laid all the
Why
way
girls
back?
do that shit? Mind
I'm
your
just
business.
saying, like, no, I don't know nobody that's gonna be like, oh, I don't like her because she walked up in the club.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yo,
nobody.
same shot work. A new girl start. Everybody hate the girl and they don't even know the girl. Guess what?
Cause she bringing y'all got child attention, you know.
Yeah, because guess what? Because she look good.
Good.
Exactly.
She look better.
But
she
I'm not
style
saying all the
flowing
time it's
better.
not because they look good, but some girl always do that shit. Like you don't haven't said a word to her, she haven't said anything, she not body eye you or anything, and then I don't like her. Why you don't like her? Guys.
You need to stop it. Stop.
No,
Girls will be
Oh.
girls. Alright, this is what? This is my turn now? Yeah, the next thing I hate with girls, they take mad long to get ready to do anything. Anything. To make
Get
a
makeup.
video, to go out. Anything.
Because
What you guys gonna say about that?
You
What
gotta
you guys
do your
gonna say about
hair. You gotta change. Sometimes you gotta change your outfit if you're not feeling your outfit. You listen to music. You talk on the phone. You 30 minutes in the shower.
But let's talk about it.
Like-
If we didn't take so long and we just came out the house bummy, would y'all talk to us though?
No.
Oh, okay.
But
I just
okay,
had to
but the
make that
thing is,
point.
right? When you do come on looking fabulous and everything, right?
You
And
go
the
back
guys
to
go talk to you, or you turn them down, and then you guys be wearing some short up skirt, and then the guys do
First of
come
all,
to
what
y'all.
we wear and what we do to ourselves is for
But
ourselves,
what you
not
just
for
said,
y'all.
but what you just said, a while
I'm
ago,
just
oh, would
saying,
you
would y'all talk
to
to us? Yes, that's
But
my
that mean
point
you
in
put-
that
forget
situation.
attraction. Yeah, get- you want-
watch out. If you wear something nice, put it on, go outside. 7 niggas, as first 7 niggas you pack. Oh, that bitch ugly as fuck. I'm sure you're gonna. Oh, let me next one.
What you
Hell
like?
no.
You're gonna say, then you're gonna say again. Then my next guy pass up and said, what? Go do your weave. What you gonna say then?
Well, fuck
I'm
y'all.
gonna go
I'm
fuck
still
you.
I'm
I bet
still
you
a
forgot,
bad bitch.
I bet
Fuck
if-
you
Period.
I bet if a guy said, oh damn short, you'd be like, oh yeah, I know
I
I,
know,
look
be like,
good.
thank you, and that's it.
Exactly.
Keep it
But
pushing.
you gotta say, I know I look good though. right?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's a self-confidence thing as well because some people don't wear makeup, dress up for people. They do it for themselves. I want to look good. I want to look good.
That's that.
Just like when y'all get y'all little haircut, y'all look good afterwards, right? When y'all don't get that shape up in 3 months and wolfing and
Sure.
stuff.
14.
I'm just
But you
saying,
see what she
wolfing
just
and
said?
stuff.
That's the thing. Guy just do her haircut and get lined up. And girls,
Yeah, y'all
eyebrows,
feel good,
eyelash.
but y'all aren't gay, so it wouldn't matter for y'all to do like more. Like gay, and I'm not saying all gay people do that, but I'm just saying most of them, like the ones that want to have like a feminine side, they're doing like makeup.
Hold on. Just touch it.
I'm not saying all gay people do the same thing, but I'm just saying the ones that like got a feminine side, they'll do.
Oh,
you
yeah,
can see
yeah,
on
yeah,
YouTube
yeah,
for
yeah.
yourself, like we on right
Jeffree
now.
Star.
Exactly. They be doing their makeup. They be bodying the stuff.
Better than women.
Yeah,
Put
better-
us to shame.
Especially dancing. I ain't got
That's
no comment though.
another
But
I'm
I'm
who's next?
sorry.
Who's next now?
Oh, I got one. Why men never change themselves for women? Why it always has to be the women that have to change themselves for men? Why can't men accept women for who they are?
exactly.
Why?
You know, some dirty ways we need to adjust What you mean by change though? That's a large topic. You have to tell me like.
In general, anything. If the girl, if she's too big, you have to fix this. If the girl,
Too big.
Yeah.
Wait, say if what she's saying, like, say if she was skinny at first and she started blowing up.
Yeah, and you'd be like, oh no.
You
I
met her
don't
when you're
like it.
skinny.
Yeah, exactly. You met her when you're skinny.
You get comfortable. Okay,
That's what you like. That's
I
what you like.
understand.
If you get big, what you want
But
to do?
still-
What you want to do? You just leave?
But if the man is gaining weight too, he feel like he don't have to change himself.
But did you say it to him? Did the girl don't say
But
you
the
get
man,
fat.
but women,
most girls don't say
but a
get
woman
fat.
don't. She doesn't have a problem with that.
Because
It's the man who has a problem.
women really don't care what man look to that to like as a man would care.
Yeah.
Well, when a man start to
That is very.
it's just I'm just talking what's going on in the world right now. A man will look at a girl and just naturally like someone by her physical appearance. Girl want to get to know him. That's why you have to go on first date, second date. Girls want to know the guy.
A girl could turn back a guy for so long till one day she give him a chance and then like the person.
Because they have to know.
Because
They
you know the
they don't
person.
really look at physical appearance like how
Exactly.
guys look at girls physically.
What year are you in?
Huh?
What year are you in?
2020.
So
That's
what
it.
you mean.
I'm not saying.
Girls like guys that look good.
I
I'm
didn't
not
say
saying-
though,
I'm
but
not
I'm
saying.
talking majority of the people. Like guys were more likely. You girls, all right. Girls see a guy looks good, have abs, six pack, pecs, everything, right? Okay. Girls not just gonna go talk to them like that though. A guy will see a girl in shorts, everything, and they will pull up. Like guy will go talk to them more than a girl will approach a guy. Yes or no? Okay. Guys mostly approach girls. That's what I'm trying to say.
But some guys like girls to approach them. Some guys want a girl to approach them.
I don't
You
say
guys
no.
not gonna do it,
I
though.
don't know. That's
But that's
Unless you guys give them
But-
the look.
Yeah,
like,
that is weird.
like, I'm looking at you.
those are some Tatianas.
I'm looking at you. Come over. Trying to turn her back to like she showed the ass.
Well, you have some go-getter
stuff like
girls. So
that.
you have girls that see what they want and
yeah,
they go
yeah.
get the guy
Yeah,
they
I'm not
personally
saying girl
want.
don't approach, yeah, but you know. And next thing too, girl act like they could drive better than man. They could do everything better than man, which they
They're
don't.
always in
which they
competition.
can't.
Are you talking about girls being independent? 'Cause that's
No,
what you-
no. I'm just saying girls say like they drive better, as in they're a better driver.
There are
than-
girls that drive better than men.
But better driver than man.
yeah.
Okay.
We're not
okay.
talking about personal. We're
But-
talking
Yeah.
about worldwide, okay?
Okay.
Because he's
Yeah.
about to get in. Go in.
Says the one that total a car.
Everybody's been in a wreck before.
Yeah, oh,
Everybody.
Not me. Not me. I've been in an accident. I wasn't driving though. Or not me.
Accident, wreck, they all the
Okay.
same thing. Everybody did something to a hit and run.
I never did
No,
No,
that.
no.
I did. I sure did.
Yo.
And I'll do it again.
I was driving my brother's car and someone hit me, but that wasn't my fault. He was searching for his phone and
Okay, that's a wreck.
but I didn't cause it though.
But you
You
still
don't-
been
it's
in
still
one.
correct.
But you still been everybody's been in one. Whether it's your
Me,
fault
not yet.
or the next person's fault, it happens to everybody. Especially living in New York, you're bound to get into it.
Alright, and the next thing too, I got why girls like to think they can do everything like mine do it, which they can't. Because at work, so imagine at work, I'm saying at work, when you at work, they expect the man to stand up all day, which they
There's-
sign up for the same job,
Exactly, and get the
and
same pay.
same pay, and they think they're better than us. Why not do the same thing?
And the first
and you
thing,
know the
and the
next thing
first thing
too?
then casually asks if it lift up everything because you're men,
and,
right?
and you know the next thing too, they want to be like mine so bad, right? And they don't even want to propose too, right? They don't want to go down on
Oh yeah,
their
you got me
knees too.
fucked up.
See that? But you guys want to think
First
you're
of
better
all,
than man.
first of all, I'm not saying you know, but y'all have these females on their knees all the time. Why y'all can't get on y'all one little knee for one time and propose?
Exactly.
Like, what are you talking about?
One time in the life.
What are you talking about? Wait a minute.
One time in their
Since
life
you
they
talking
can't
about
get on their
knees,
knees.
like-
One fucking time.
One time.
One time.
I'm just saying. Nobody's gonna say it. I'm gonna say it.
One time.
Oh,
for
that's a good way. I've
5
never looked at it
minutes.
like that before. That's crazy.
Yo.
Oh my god. Alright, so I guess that. How long is this video, man? I guess that wraps it up.
Damn boy, now you me I call him. Yes, me I come.